In today's video, I'm going to show you how to host your website on Hostinger in just a few minutes. Whether you're launching something new or moving an existing project, Hostinger makes it easy to get your site online quickly. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Hostinger's official website. Starting from the official site ensures you have access to all the right tools and resources you'll need. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button in the top right corner of your screen. Click it to go to the login page. If you already have an account, enter your credentials and sign in. If not, you can create one easily by following the on-screen instructions. After you've logged in, you'll land on the Hostinger home panel. This is your main dashboard where you can manage all your hosting services and websites in one place. Now, look for the Marketplace section. Clicking on it will show you all the hosting options Hostinger offers. From there, navigate to the Web Hosting category. This section is where you'll choose the type of hosting that fits your project best. Hostinger provides several hosting levels, from basic shared hosting for beginners to more advanced options for larger or high traffic sites. Take a moment to explore these choices and compare what each plan includes. Once you've reviewed the options, click Explore to view a detailed breakdown of the hosting services. Here you'll see what features each plan offers, such as storage space, bandwidth, and additional tools. Exploring these details helps you understand which plan will give your website the right balance of performance and value. Now comes the most important step, choosing your hosting plan. Hostinger offers different tiers depending on your needs. If you're starting a small personal blog or portfolio, the basic plan will work perfectly. If you're building a business site or expecting higher traffic, a premium or business plan might be a better fit. Choose the one that best matches your website's goals and expected growth. Once you've selected a plan, follow the on-screen prompts to complete your purchase. You'll be guided through the checkout process where you can review your order and finalize payment. Hostinger often provides discounts for longer subscription periods, so it's worth checking those out before confirming. After you complete your payment, your hosting account will be active. You'll return to your dashboard where you can start setting up your domain, installing WordPress, or uploading your own website files. And that's it. Your site is officially hosted on Hostinger. The platform's interface is built to be beginner-friendly while still powerful enough for advanced users. Everything you need to manage, update, or scale your website is right there in your control panel. If you ever need help, Hostinger's support team is always available. You can reach them directly through live chat or browse their knowledge base for step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to host your website on Hostinger. With these steps, you're ready to bring your ideas to life and share them with the world.